Good morning, children. Today in Social Science in Economics, in class 9, we'll begin the chapter Food Security in India. Now, why do we need to be food secure? It is needed because the poorest section of the society might be food insecure most of the times. Then there can also be food insecurity when a country faces a natural disaster or a calamity, which could be in the form of an earthquake or a drought or floods. And also there can be a widespread failure of one can say crops, causing famines, that is scarcity of food. So we have to be food secure so that people do not suffer. Now we see that food security refers to availability, accessibility and affordability of food to all people at all times. That means there should be enough food available in the country at a given point of time, always there rather. Then accessibility, that means they should be within reach of the people and affordable for the people to buy. We generally tend to see that poor people are more vulnerable to food insecurity. Why? This could be either they have low wages or it could be due to unemployment and various other reasons. So, the public distribution system is an initiative and other measures that are taken by the government to eradicate food scarcity among the poor, so that the poor people are also able to get enough food for themselves and their families. So food security means availability, accessibility and affordability of food all the time. And if this has to be made possible, it is important and necessary that poverty is eradicated from the country, because it is the poor people generally who are the sufferers. Now, food security has three dimensions. Number one, availability of food. Availability of food would mean, it implies that the amount of food production that takes place within the country. It also includes the food imports and the previous year's stock stored in the granaries. So that would be the availability of food in a country. So that means the amount of food that is produced, food imports that take place, and the leftover or the previous year that is kept as a stock in the granaries. Then the second, we have accessibility of food. That means that food is within the reach of every person, even in the remote areas. Then third is affordability of food. It implies that an individual has enough money, that is by means of his earning, to buy sufficient and nutritious food to meet one's dietary needs. That means affordability of food would mean that how there is enough money with the person to be able to purchase the required amount of food for the family. So we see that food security can be ensured in a country only if there is enough food for all persons have the capacity to buy food of acceptable quality, and thirdly, that there are no barriers on access to food. That means everybody has access to food. So it is important that the three dimensions of food security that we have: availability of food, accessibility of food and affordability of food, in order to have food security in the country. Now we take up necessity of food security. Why is there a need? Number one, food security is needed in a country to ensure food at all times, because this is a basic requirement of every citizen, every individual, every human being. It is needed because it is important and necessary for our survival, so that no person dies of hunger in the country. That would be really very unfortunate. So we don't want any such thing to happen, that there should be enough food, sufficient food for all people, including the poor people. Now, effect of natural calamity on food security. This has an adverse effect on the people, and it is generally the poor people who are adversely affected or have the impact on them because of their poverty. Mostly we see that poor people in the society might be food insecure, especially in the case of a natural calamity. But persons above poverty line might also be food insecure. There are certain situations and circumstances that are there that this could be a natural calamity. So we see that even not the poor people only, but even people who are above poverty line might also be food insecure, especially when the country faces a national disaster or a calamity, which could be in the form of an earthquake, it could be a drought, flood, or it also could be due to a failure of crops causing famine. Famine, that is scarcity of food. In case of a calamity, when a calamity occurs in a vast area and when it is stretched over a long period, it may also cause a situation of starvation because they do not have enough food. They don't have the money to buy food and they do not have the available food. A massive starvation might be the result in famine. So, when there's scarcity of food, obviously the people will be, there could be a chance or a situation where people are starved. Thus, we see that a natural calamity affects the food security adversely. So, it is not good at all. We have to be food secure and we have to have available food in the country so that even if there is such a calamity, there will be enough food for everyone. Now, a famine is characterized by widespread deaths due to starvation and epidemics, which can be caused because of use or consumption of impure water, poor, unhygienic food, and loss of body resistance due to weakness on account of starvation. When a person does not get enough food or nutritious food on a regular basis, obviously the physical state of a person will be weak and the resistance of the body will also be weak. So if the person consumes poor quality food or impure water is consumed, it could affect him adversely. In our country, we see 1943. In Bengal, the most devastating famine resulted in 30 lakh people's death. And mostly these people were agricultural laborers, they were fishermen, they were transport workers and casual laborers also. Today also we see that some deaths are reported, although it is very less. The government has initiated measures to help the poor people in order to have food security in the country and to make enough food available to all the people in the country. Thank you.